Upgrading your network controller and management system to Cisco DNA Center will result in much improved network performance, greater security, and more efficiencies for the IT team. But the longer it takes to complete the installation and setup, the greater cost to the business. And that's why we refer to the setup time as the time to value. At Cisco, we're making big steps in reducing the time to value, and our latest addition is Express Setup, which simplifies and speeds the process by automating all your data inputs and telemetry configurations. Let's go through the setup in a time-lapse video so you can see how simple this is. To start, open a web browser from any computer connected to the corporate network. Enter the IP address that you assigned to the DNA Center appliance when you installed it, and enter your administrator login credentials. Now enter your Cisco ID to look up your Cisco Smart License account in the cloud. Approve the terms and conditions, and let's start the workflow. Enter the range of IP addresses in your corporate network. Now enter the CLI and SNMP credentials that you want DNA Center to configure into devices it discovers. You can even have different credentials for different categories, like wireless devices or devices on the 4th floor, etc. Now create a site. Give it a name and enter the address, or put in the latitude and longitude coordinates and DNA Center will find it on a map. Select the telemetry that you want to receive. This will allow DNA Center to configure each device to send streaming telemetry or data in real time to DNA Center. Now the summary screen gives you an overview of everything that DNA Center is going to configure during the discovery process. Now the discovery process will find your devices and automate those configurations that you specified. There's no need to supervise this process. It will automatically stop when it's complete. When the setup and configuration is done, you'll get an alert with the number of devices discovered and configured. Click to see these devices. And now your DNA Center appliance is set up and ready to begin delivering value.